Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for your patience and for watching. I know this is a little bit late, and this is actually in a new location as I have just moved to Florida. There are some technical difficulties, and I'm not able to stream to everywhere I would like. But if you do like what you're hearing today, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at TNT Visa, just TNTVISA, one word. You can always visit our website at www.tntvisa.com, or you can go to where you get more information about us, or you can reach us via text messaging or phone at 754-610-7266, and that's 754-610-7266, or you can email us at info@tntvisa.com. Now, today we want to discuss something that's very, very important because a lot of people get, unfortunately, I will say that they get abused and swindled and taken advantage of by people who call themselves notarios or notaries. Because a lot of people in South America and other countries, when they hear notario or they hear notary, they think, oh, this is an attorney that has gone through additional training and additional education in order to become a notary. And so they trust these notarios in the United States. Notarios in the United States are not attorneys. They have not gone to law school. They have not received any legal training whatsoever. They do not need to do any class other than a 2-week course that they can do and fill out some paperwork. Legal assistants are notaries. People in banks are notaries. Any person with a high school degree can become a notary in the United States. They are not attorneys. I cannot repeat that enough. They are not attorneys and have no legal training. And what notarios do is they get you to pay them to do work that is illegal, to do work that they cannot do or present, which is why notarios will not put their names on any forms. They will not put their names on anything. They will have you sign it, even though they do the work, because they know they cannot represent you. Now, I know that in South America and other countries, notarios have to go through a special class. They have to first get a license to be an attorney, then they have to get additional training in order to be able to work as a notary. But in the United States, again, that is not the situation. And what people do, these notarios do, and they're famous for doing it, is they take advantage of people. They file frivolous and false documentation that does nothing but hurt the person that they are filing for. I have a close friend who used a notario to help him before I ever practiced immigration law. Years before, he used a notario to file paperwork. That paperwork was denied. He was then placed in immigration proceedings because of the work the notario did. It was only after we got involved that we were able to make situations and make changes to give him the opportunity to come back to the United States. But if he had never used a notario and used an immigration attorney from the beginning, he would have been protected. But because the notario was able to file some paperwork, show some things that made him look good and make him feel better, this person trusted the notario. Again, these are dangerous people. And I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be anything. I've just seen too many situations where people hire notarios not only to have their case messed up, but be deported and be unable to return to the United States. I would highly, highly suggest that you hire an attorney. An immigration attorney in the United States has to go to law school for 3 years. They have to get a college degree before they can go to law school. They spend 3 years in law school, and then they have to pass a bar exam. And only after they pass the bar exam and pass a background check that is done by independent resources to verify the credibility of the person applying for the Florida license or any other state license, do they get licensed to be an attorney? A notario can be anybody with a high school degree who takes a 2-week course to be able to stamp a piece of paper that says they verify your identity. That is what a notary does in the United States. They verify documents. That is it. They have no legal training whatsoever. And I cannot stress this more than enough, how dangerous it is for people using notarios because they have committed so many fraudulent files that have ended up getting people deported. So if you are ever considering hiring a notario, I beg you to reach out to an immigration attorney first. Get information from the immigration attorney. Verify that the notarial strategy is correct from an immigration attorney, and actually use the immigration attorney, because if you use anyone else, what is going to end up happening is you're going to end up more than likely in a worse situation than you were before hiring the notario. So that is my information for today. If you like the information, I know I'm a little bit harsh, but this is such a very important situation, a very important topic, that I really think that you should consider how things work before you move forward. We are more than happy to talk to you. Please reach out to us at 754-610-7266. Again, that's 754-610-7266. You can also check our email website at www.tntvisa.com or email us at info@tntvisa.com. We have people that speak English, Spanish, Russian, and Japanese, and we can always assist whoever you are with whatever language that you need. We will find someone to help you. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you like this video and you want more information, up-to-date information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at TNT Visa. One word, TNT Visa. Thank